How to change your username on TikTok without waiting for 30 days. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can change up your Instagram username without waiting for 30 days after you've changed it once. Simply open up TikTok on your phone, and then after that from over here just simply go to your profile, and then once you guys come onto your profile, now from over here what you need to do is to simply click on the top right on these three lines. Once you click on that, click on settings and privacy, and then after that from over here just simply scroll down, and then from over here click on report a problem. Now from over here scroll down till the very end at the absolute bottom and click on submit a report, and then over here I want you guys to just simply type in this text that I am about to type in right now. So let me just delete the old text that I had over here, because I always try to fix problems that I have running using this particular method. Simply paste in this text, and then over here after please correct my username from type in your existing username, and then after that type in the username that you would like your username to be changed to. So that is how you guys can change up your username without waiting for 30 days after you've changed your username once. Thank you so much for watching guys. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Till next time, goodbye.